here today to talk about the anti-vibration alarm for your scooter. It's a great piece of kit to keep your scooter secure when you have to leave it. It comes with its own attachments and its own key fob. It is great. We can put it on today and we will show you what will happen. So to arm your scooter, you just press the button and now it's fully armed. So now your scooter is armed, you just wait for the beep and now you can leave it unattended. There's 6 different sounds that you can choose from a selection. You just press the zigzag button on here and you can choose which one you prefer. There's an SOS button also, so if there's any problems and you need some help or assistance, you can press the button and the SOS will sound. If someone tries to steal your scooter, the alarm will give a warning noise. To cancel it, you just press the button and then you can drive away. Everything will be fine. It really is a great device to help make your scooter safe and secure. Thank you for watching.